Hello, this is question 7C of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It says evaluate 4 into bracket 1 minus 144 over 169 all raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 over 13 all raised to power minus 1. So this becomes 4 into, so we are going to find the LCM of this, and that gives us 169. So this gives us 169 minus 144 all raised to power 1 over 2 multiplied by, this is inverse, it is as well as writing one number 2 over 13. So this becomes 169 minus 144, that gives us 25 over 169 all raised to power 1 over 2. So if we transpose this becomes 13 all over 2. So this becomes 4 into the square root of 25 over 169, because 1 over 2 simply means the square root of this multiplied by 13 over 2. So this becomes 4 into bracket 5 over 13. Square root of 25 is 12 and 169 is 13 multiplied by 13 over 2. So let us divide 2 here. So we have 2, 13 here, 1, 13 here. So what we have left is 2 into bracket 5, which is 10. So that is a solution to question 7C of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. It is a series for other solutions within the series. Please check my channel, they are very much available. Till I see you next time, please remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you very much. See you next time.